Tesla is selling a microphone for karaoke in the car.
Yeah, did you hear about this?
What do they call that? Carpool karaoke?
Yeah. It's meant for Chinese New Year's, and they're only selling it in China. And you get a little 2 mics and a receiver.
That's sick. That's fun. Karaoke is fun.
So I wish I can go to the site, but apparently it's crashed because everyone's ordering it.
Oh, does it actually say carpool karaoke on it? Was that unit that you just showed the actual?
No,
Okay.
that's not the one.
Oh, okay.
No. It looks way cooler, and there's like Tesla branding on it.
Oh, that's sick. The
I'm gonna
Tesla
try
mic.
to, I guess, search for it. But,
Tesla's. I was gonna read the headline there.
Oh.
Tesla is selling a new accessory microphone for in-car karaoke. The Tesla mic is only available in China for the time being. The company introduced it amid the rollout of a Chinese New Year software update, which adds a karaoke platform called Leishi KTV to infotainment systems. The content is not available due to your privacy settings. That's why you can't see it, Will. How dare you be so private? The microphone automatically pairs with the infotainment system, so I presume it's wireless. Tesla mic comes in a pack of 2. So
of course you want
a duet.
Yeah.
So you can do a duet. Oh, is that what it looks like?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That looks like it almost looks like an Earthworks mic. That looks like a decent mic. Well, I mean, I don't know. Obviously, I haven't.
This is how it looks like with the receiver, I guess.
Oh, we got to try to get this. Will this work on my car, though? Or will the software not?
I don't know.
We need to be doing a demo. Somebody in China. I don't know if anyone's listening in China right now. Anybody in China? The pack costs $188, but the Tesla store page is failing to load. Right, because it's getting bombarded right now. It remains to be seen whether Tesla will sell the Tesla mic outside China, though maybe you'll be able to buy it with Doge. Oh, stop it, Engadget. Buy it with Doge. Stop it, Engadget. But yes, if you're in China, or if you have any ability to get one of these,
we'll sing.
We'll shout you out. We'll send it back to you. We'll pay you money, whatever. We'll make it worth your while, because I'd love to check that out.